Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn fish fry without any oil in the zero oil series. For this we need to take fresh fish, cut into pieces, clean them, and we are going to marinate with some spices. We need to leave it in the refrigerator for an hour. We are adding salt, turmeric, chili powder, ginger garlic paste, cumin powder, coriander powder, curd and lemon juice. Curd and lemon juice is optional. Mix everything and refrigerate it for 1 or 2 hours. After refrigerating, we're going to take that out and we are going to just mix it and add to a non-stick frying pan. Once we add to that non-stick pan, we need to close it and cook till they are roasted well. We need to leave it. Don't worry about the charring. It's okay because the fish is going to leave some oils. In that oils only it's going to cook itself. So once the cooking is done from one side, you need to flip it to the other side and do the same. If you think water is evaporating, just add a little 1 spoon of water and just cook it till it is fried. It will cook nicely from inside and crispier from outside. Don't worry about the charring. Once it is cooked, take it to a serving bowl and serve it with your rice. As we are using non-stick pan, it will come out very easily. And yeah, your fish fry without any oil is ready. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, share and subscribe and click the bell icon to get the notification.